Hi, today we're showcasing the MD8531H. The MD8531H is an outdoor rated network camera specifically designed for video surveillance in buses, trains, subway cars, and other vehicles. It has a 1.2 megapixel sensor capable of capturing 1280 by 960 images at 30 frames per second. It supports MJPEG, MPEG-4, and H.264 codecs and can output 4 streams simultaneously. The camera comes with a built-in microphone, effective up to 15 feet. The suffix at the end of the model, either f3 or f4, designates the focal length of the fixed lens. The f3 will provide a slightly wider field of view than that of the f4. The unit also features a 3-axis gimbal, which enables the installer to pan, tilt, and rotate the lens to easily get the desired field of view. This can be achieved by loosening the set screw in the camera and tightening it once adjusted. It has a built-in temperature sensor, PoE-enabled Ethernet port to connect the camera to the network. This also provides power to it if using a PoE switch or injector. MicroSD card slot will enable you to record locally in the camera as well as serve as redundancy if recording to an NVR. And lastly, the audio output can be accessed through the general terminal block along with the digital input and output. This camera uses WDR Pro, also known as Wide Dynamic Range. WDR is a technology that compensates for strikingly different object brightness within the scene, so it can detect the details of the objects in the brightest areas and also in the darkest areas. Backlight is a common scenario where WDR is required. For example, a camera pointed at a person entering the train or bus doorway, so high contrast between the darker inside environment and the backlight from outside is captured. If the camera does not have WDR, no detail will be viewed in either case, resulting in poor clothing or facial recognition. Glare is another issue. It could come from inside lighting pointed at the camera or outside from sunlight. When mounted outside a vehicle, WDR can even help to capture license plates, which are often made from highly reflective materials. The MD8531H's auto exposure system has an improved response time not only for the increased sensitivity that initiates the exposure change, but also for the rate the exposure change occurs. For transportation, this is critical for situations like entering and exiting a tunnel or other sudden lighting changes caused by natural or artificial light. This clearly demonstrates the improved sensitivity and exposure change when lighting conditions go from light to dark and from dark to light. Most traditional surveillance sites are suited for a wide shot, but in cases where the object is to view a long walkway in a train or bus, other views are preferred. This is why VIVOTEK is proud to present the video rotation feature in the MD8531H. To adopt either horizontal or vertical orientations. It works through rotating the lens and adjusting the option in the camera. Then the resolution is converted from 1280 by 960 to 960 by 1280. Whether from the long aisles in buses, trains, other pathways, and corridors, the video rotation feature in this camera is ideal for removing redundant frame elements in transportation applications. This camera's design features help protect it in challenging mobile environments. EN50155 is a rating specific for transportation applications, which ensures the camera is certified to withstand significant vibration, shock, and temperature changes. The IP66 rating is standard for many outdoor surveillance cameras due to the protection it provides from solid and liquid particles. This is relevant for the varied conditions vehicles can encounter, like rainy weather or desert conditions. The IK10 rating certifies the camera can withstand significant impact generated from an object in excess of 20 pounds. The camera comes with an onboard temperature sensor integrated with the camera's event management system. This can be set to send out an alert when higher or lower temperature thresholds are reached. RJ45 connections are the standard for any computer networking device, including IP cameras. They are well suited for stationary environments such as residential or commercial buildings. However, for more demanding applications, like mobile transportation, connections that can withstand harsher operating environments are required. The M12 adapter is rated for humidity, rapid temperature change, vibration, and shock. This makes the M12 connector the new standard for mobile applications. Alright, that wraps up our product introduction. The MD8531H is now available for purchase. If you have any other questions about the product, please contact your local distributor, reseller, or give our sales office a call. Our number is 1-888-224-2455. You can also send all your email inquiries to us at salesusa@vivotek.com. Thank you for joining us and have a great day.